In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Dropbox file request feature. This is a really handy tool when you need other people to send you files, but you do not want to give them access to your entire Dropbox. They can upload directly into a folder you control, even if they do not have a Dropbox account themselves. To get started, open your browser and go to your Dropbox homepage, then sign in if you are not already logged in. Once you are on the main Dropbox dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and find the option labeled File Requests. Go ahead and click on that. This will open the area where you can manage any existing file requests and create new ones. Next, look for a button that says Request File and click on it. This begins the process of creating a new request that you can send to other people. A setup window will open, asking for some basic information. At the top, you will see a field for the title. Click into that title area and type a clear, simple description of what you are asking for. For example, project photos, signed contracts, or team presentations. A good title helps people instantly understand what they are expected to upload. Below the title, there is another field where you can add more details about the request. Click into that field and type any extra instructions they should know, such as preferred file formats, naming conventions, or anything they should avoid uploading. The clearer you are here, the fewer follow-up messages you will need to send. In the same window, you will see options to set a deadline and, depending on your plan, a password. Use the deadline to choose a specific date and time when file uploads should stop. This is especially useful for time-sensitive projects. If available, you can also add a password so only people who know that password can upload, which adds an extra layer of security. Once you are happy with the title, description, and settings, click on the Create button. Dropbox will now generate a unique file request. You will see a box where you can type in the email addresses of the people you want to request files from. Enter the recipient email or multiple emails if needed. When you are done, click on Share to send the request directly to their inbox. Alternatively, you can click on Copy to grab the link instead. You can then paste that link into a message, chat, or anywhere else you prefer, and anyone with the link will be able to upload files to your Dropbox through that request.